Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. And to this video, this is the fourth one in our Polaroid snowscapes, and I am starting off with a sketch. Today I will be painting a cable car, and first starting with the sketch and with my cables. As you can see, first I tapped in a little dot where my vanishing point is going to be, and then drawing in those three cables on which our cable car are going to move, and I do want them to go into that one vanishing point at the end. Afterwards, just also sketching those cable cars, not gonna do any details to them. Again, very simple, and I'm trying to place them at the similar same height, all those that are near to us, first two, then the second two, then the third, and so on and so on. Of course, you need to make them smaller as they go further away from us, further in the distance. Just keep that in mind. When finished with my sketch, I got this micron pen, and I will do all those cables and cable cars with ink pen. If you don't have an ink pen, you can of course use a black watercolor or black gouache, or maybe some marker black. That's also fine, but just make it sure that it is waterproof, so when we start using watercolors that they don't smudge. And you can see those cables. I drew in a little bit thicker lines that are closer to us, and a little bit further away I drew them a little bit thinner. And also I did not draw them all the way to the vanishing point, because I do want that part to look a little bit blurred. Maybe there is some mist, some fog there, so they're not visible all the way to the vanishing point. Again, when finished with that, I picked up a little bit of that pastel blue, mixed in some of the black in it, and mixed in a little bit of the darker blue in, pre-wetted the entire paper. And then with this black, I'm just tapping in around my vanishing point, just to create the impression that there is also something going on there, but not very visible. We can't really see that, so just add that a little detail. And then with blue, just adding in some mist and clouds to our sky. And with black, I'm adding just a little bit of the black to the part where my snow is. Now picking up a little bit more of the black, and while the paper is still wet, I do want my trees to look very blurred. I don't want them to be focused at all. So I'm painting them while the paper is still wet. And those trees that are near to us, I will be painting a little bit darker, and those that are further away from us, I will be painting lighter, because they're further away in the mist, so also a little bit less visible. Couple of splatters with blue, and also with that black. I left it to dry completely, and then with this detail brush and black color, I'm just adding in a few details to my cable cars. I do want some parts to be a little bit darker, so I'm just adding in a little bit of the black. Few details to the snow just beneath my trees. I'm adding few lines to make it look like they're on some hills, and also maybe there are some shadows, but again quite light, not adding anything too much. Few more splatters, and with that I'm finished with this one. Also, here are all four done by now, and I just wanted to show you that how I cut them. I'm using this cutter and just cutting them into Polaroid size. If you missed those previous three, I will put the link down in the description box, so you might want to check it out. I'll also write in the text on the fourth painting, and with that I'll be finishing off this video. Thank you guys a lot for watching. If you do like it, please hit the like button, share it, comment. If you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. That would be really awesome. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!